Ooh, listen now, listen. Good, you hear me?
Have you ever went in the kitchen and seen nothing and still made something and it became scrumptious?
Welcome to Carmel's Wine and Cheese. So in today's video, what I'm going to be making for you all is some buttermilk fried chicken tenders with a hot honey sauce. And the first thing I'm gonna do is wash the chicken, because we wash our chicken around here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some onion powder, some garlic powder, some smoked paprika, some dry mustard, some sea salt, some black pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with that buttermilk. And I'm gonna go ahead and just add some of that Louisiana Pure Crystal hot sauce in there. Now I did drop the recipe in the description box as well as the comments. But guys, if you want to make this recipe, please be generous with the seasoning, because with meat you got to be generous. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this and let this sit for about an hour and a half until it becomes room temperature. So now for the hot honey sauce, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of that Louisiana Pure Crystal hot sauce in there. Some honey. Some unsalted butter, always unsalted butter, and some red pepper flakes. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Wait, hold up. Now I taste this and something in the water wasn't clean. That's what it is. I forgot the garlic. Come on now. Now we really doing something. Alright, so now that our chicken tenders have turned room temperature, I'm gonna go ahead and remove that plastic wrap and give it a good mix, and we're gonna get our flour ready. And inside of this flour, I'm gonna put some sea salt, black pepper, and Everglades seasoning. Now, if you ain't got no Everglades seasoning, please get some, because I really don't know what you're doing. Now, once the chicken is added to the flour, I'm gonna go ahead and give that a good shake. And now we finna fry these bad boys. Now for these tenders, they're only gonna cook anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. And because this is not a deep frying pan, you are gonna have to flip them in the halfway mark between cooking, unless they're gonna burn on one side. So after about 8 to 10 minutes, you want to take them out, let them drain on some paper towel, and then we're going to repeat the steps for the remaining tenders. Child, these chicken tenders buy pretty as me. Nah, I'm playing. Let me stop. They ain't that pretty now, but they do look good. Now for the fun part. It's time to sauce these bad boys up. Listen, now, listen. Let me go ahead and plate these things up because your girl's about ready to eat now. Ooh-wee. Listen now. Listen. Good. You hear me?